Hello and welcome to another video. In this video we are going to continue the work in the custom book composite. I already added more 4 books so we can have more data, and we are going to improve this a little bit. We are using the OJET avatar. Of course you can use an image or a div with CSS in background. Just to show you the OJET avatar component, we are using that here. Of course the avatar is built, let's use only Excel, is built to have some properties as an avatar, such as the initials and the name when you hover the image, but for now we are using that to display the book's cover. Of course you can change this to an image and give it the source. Other than that, so we increased the size of the image, and now I want to show you how powerful the composites can be. So we are going to add here the add to cart button and heart, so you can add the book to a potential list, favorite list. As an example, you press the buttons, you will have predefined behaviors, and for example when you press the heart button it will open a dialog. The OJET dialog is a pop-up that you can customize as you wish, and there inside you will create or add the book to existing list, like favorite list or romance books or something like that. The user will choose that and create a new list if the user wants it, and that logic will be inside the composite code, not in this books page. So every time you click the heart it will open that dialog, and that is coded inside the composite, and we are not specifying the same code again and again and again. Let's start by going to the custom book view, and after the desk, so we want after the author and the type, we can, for now let's put, and let me see, let's create another division. Just of course the how it looks, then it will be up to you. I'm just showing you how to use the components. I'm not worried about how it looks, of course. And now let me create another class here and some values so I can see it. Okay, of course I have this and top. Okay, now I want to have the flex and inside I want a button. Let's grab the cookbooks example. So buttons, I have it there, button. So let's grab an example of a button and put there. So we don't want the ID for now, it's not disabled. When we click, it will be the add to cart, let's call it handle add to cart. We will display only the icons, then okay, and we also want another span. No, we don't want, yes, we want a span just to jbind text, just to display add to cart label, add to cart label, and then inside the what we want. So okay, we need to delete that, we don't want nothing of that. We want this dot equals to this dot underscore dot bind this, then we can duplicate that, delete these comments, we'll receive an event. Object, and we want add function and add description. Okay, and we also want that to be with underscore as in the beginning of the function's name. Okay, here it will be the action when the button is pressed to add to cart. So alert add to cart, and we want the card label. Let me duplicate that. It will be the init labels, and we want a translation there. Let's load the translation module. You can have custom translations inside the composite, but for now, at least for now, I think we don't need that. You can always see the OJET documentation about that if you really want the translations inside before the function to be okay. And we want to call the init labels and to give it the buttons that add to cart translations. We have the add to cart. Let me see the errors that we can provide. Okay, add to cart. Now we need to change the icon. Let's use this icon to add. Copy. In the view from the custom book, we are going to change this class with the icon. So now we have this button, and we want it will be the class button dash small. Okay, we also want the chroming to be called to action, so it will be in a different color, like so. And we will also want the part put that here just to see. Without nothing, and we want OJET padding 2 times. Let me reduce the amount of time we are using to get the books. I guess it is on the book services. Yes, let's put 1 second only. Okay. And we can also put a rating there, so in our data we can add a new property that will be rating 2. Let's change that to have some different values. I don't even know the book, so it's just randomly. And inside the view model, we can use another component that is the OJET gauge. So we can grab that and put that. For now, let's put everything in the same div. Then we can change that, and the value will be the item.data.rating step 1.5. Level Y I don't want. I want to be read only, size small. Okay, and we need to load the module. In our view model. Let me see if we are getting something, and apparently not. Yes, I didn't save that again. And we are getting an error. Item is not defined. Oh, sorry, I thought we are inside that. Okay, I need the properties dot rating, and we need to go to the component. Where is it? Component. We need to receive the rating. And it will be a number, and this rating will be given here, and here I will use the item.data.rating. Okay, now we have something. It is quite big because the OJET gauge will have the height as 100%, and we'll expand that. So we can just we can give it a class, or you can give it a style directly and put height like 25. That should be enough.